This beautiful home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac in Don Mills, steps to so many parks, great schools, and of course, the wonderful shops at Don Mills. Welcome back. I'm Julian Compton.
And I'm Liz Compton of Team Compton with Royal LePage Signature. We are super excited to show you our latest listing, 20 and 20A Redwing Place, a beautiful duplex in the heart of Don Mills. This duplex sits on a huge lot with a total area of over 10,000 square feet. The original semi-detached home, for the exception of the basement, is being totally renovated into a beautiful living space. 20A Redwing is over 4,800 square feet, including the basement. This is such a rare opportunity in Don Mills, and you don't want to miss it. Come on in for a tour and see what you think.
Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed the tour of this amazing property, 20 and 20A Redwing Place. If you'd like a private tour, please give us a call. My cell is 416-554-7724.
And mine is 416-802-2497. Make it a beautiful day. And until next time, all the best from Team Compton.